Hey guys, hope everything's going well. You guys know that drill. Smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, comment down below. Follow me on IG at AIH underscore sports and my finance channel at AIH Finance. Okay, so I'm talking today about how I believe sports cards are going to be in a short term bull run. I've hinted at this in a video, I think a week ago, and I've been called negative this, negative that. I tell you what I think, right? That doesn't mean that I'm right. I just tell you based on how I interpret what's going on. Okay? So, why I believe there's going to be a short term bullish trend in the sports card market. Well, obviously, sentiment has gone down, less people on YouTube. From what I've gathered, the sales in the shows aren't as hot as they were before. Looking at that, what else? Cost of grading is going down. PSA bulk submission, 25 cards, $16 a card. Okay? Under 200 bucks, okay? I haven't seen that in a while. You see also $30 in bulk submission for PSA as well. Okay. SGC group submitters are $18 from what I've gathered. And I think it must be in their 20s now, lower 20s for cost of grading. So you have that going on. CSG has been, I think, consistent at $12 a card for now. So you're seeing cost of grading going down. And I remember Sports Cards Analytics, he used to do videos a lot, and he talked about in order to get more activity in the hobby, you need the cost of grading going lower, and you're going to get more demand that way. I do agree to a certain extent, but the only difference is we've had a ridiculous amount of supply hit the market over the past few years. And it has slowed down because these grading companies raise prices like PSA and SGC, etc. But now we're at a point where, okay, they're going to lower costs. And you're going to see somewhat of an increase in demand. Now, it's not going to be, once again, like it was in 2019, 2020. But at the same time, this is going to help. The second aspect is on a fundamental basis, the economy, right? Like I said, a lot in previous videos, a lot of asset classes have been hit, partly due to higher interest rates and also a stronger dollar, right? You see stocks, you see bonds, you see crypto, sports cards, other collectibles, they're going down in value. Now, what happens if the trend reverses on the dollar and interest rates, or there's a pause in interest rates? That's very bullish, in my opinion. Now, it's not going to be a market that's going to go up for many years, in my opinion. I've already stated that in previous videos, and you can check it out. But at the same time, when I see headlines like this, I got this from All Star Charts on Twitter. He posted a picture of the Barron's magazine showing a strong dollar. And whenever I see things like this, and the media is picking up on it, and you have bullish sentiment in that particular asset, I want to take the opposite side of that trade. And once again, if the dollar reverses, collectibles, in my opinion, are going to go higher. And all these other asset classes. And I'm not telling you what to buy, what to sell, what to do, etc. And if you're a collector and you're thinking about spending an arm and a leg, but you didn't spend an arm and a leg during the past 18 months because you thought prices were too high, it may be a better time right now to add to your collection if you're buying a big figure card. Now, once again, whatever you're speculating in, collecting in, make sure you can afford to lose that money, okay? Right? Don't just leverage yourself and get into it and get hurt, okay? Just want to reiterate that. But for collectors and speculators, when I'm seeing these trends, right? Bearish sentiment, I'm seeing cost of grading going down. I'm seeing on the fundamental point of view in the economy, I'm seeing, hey, look, asset prices are probably going to go higher with the reversal of the dollar. So I'm seeing all that. I'm thinking, hey, this is a bullish case. I was doing videos in February and March of last year saying, hey, it seemed like a bubble. You know, you could maybe buy things, but you got to be careful. I was more cautious then. Now I'm at a point where I feel more bullish than I was in February and March of 2021. And I've showed some pickups that I've gotten, and no one wants these cards anymore. The demand has evaporated. And in my opinion, for me, whether I'm speculating, collecting, or doing both, I want to at least dip my toes in the market. I'm also looking for my collection. I'm probably going to look at some baseball cards, some Cubs cards during the off season. Right now, we are in the playoff hunt, or not playoff hunt, but we're in the playoffs. So, you know, there may be some speculation in baseball right now. So I want to wait for the off season, maybe November, maybe early parts of December when no one's looking at baseball. I want to add to my PC for that, irregardless of what I'm saying about the cost of grading or the dollar index or interest rates, okay? So that's what my thoughts are. I really like looking at price action, and this is one of the interests that I have, but I want to share you my thoughts. Anyways, let me know what you think. Are you collecting anything big right now? Are you making any big plays, speculating? Let me know what you're doing, because right now I'm seeing probably 18 to 20 months of a decent run in collectibles. And once again, I could be wrong. I'm just some guy on YouTube, but I just wanted to share my thoughts and wanted to hear from you guys. All right, guys, thank you. Bye.